Q. Mitochondria was first seen as granules in
A. White blood cells. B. Muscle cells. C. Red blood cells. D. Liver cells. ANS. Muscle cells.
Q. Hemoglobin is
A. Carbohydrate. B. Protein.
C. Nucleic acid. D. Enzyme.
ANS. Protein. Q. The glycerol is a carbon compound. A. 3. B. 4.
C. 5. D. 6.
ANS. 3. Q. Enzymes are ... in nature. A. Carbohydrates. B. Proteins.
C. Lipids. D. Vitamins.
ANS. Proteins. Q. The range of visible light is from A. 3000650 nm. B. 350700 nm. C. 380750 nm. D. 430790 nm. ANS. 380750 nm. Q. Which scientist among the following hypothesized that plant splits water to release oxygen as byproduct?
A. Van Niel. B. Lysenko.
C. Calvin. D. KIB. ANS. Van Niel. Q. The Calvin cycle is completed in stages A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. ANS. 3. Q. Which of the following pairs of disease is caused by virus? A. Syphilis and TB. B. AIDS and typhoid. C. Measles and mumps. D. Tetanus and cholera. ANS. Measles and mumps. Q. The terminal portion of the male duct system is A. Vasa efferentia. B. Vasa deferens.
C. Urethra. D. Epididymis. ANS. Urethra.
Q. The cell wall of bacteria is made up of A. Chitin. B. Cellulose.
C. Peptidoglycan. D. Pectin.
ANS. Peptidoglycan. Q. Which one of the following is not a carnivorous plant? A. Pitcher plant. B. Sundew. C. Butterworth steam money plant. ANS. Money plant.
Q. All of the following are the characteristics of cartilage except
A. It is a type of connective tissue. B. The precursor cells are chondrocytes. C. It contains blood vessels. D. It heals very slowly. ANS. It contains blood vessels. Q. Which one of the following is not related to arthritis? A. Inflammation of joint. B. An autoimmune disease. C. The leading cause of disability in patients over the age of 65. D. Inflammation of nerve. ANS. inflammation of nerve.
Q. An exception to Mendel's law is
A. Linkage. B. Dominance. C. Purity of gametes. D. Independent assortment. A and S. Linkage.
Q. The hollow elongated tube formed when muscle fiber penetrates deep into the cell is known as
A. The tubule. B. M tubule. C. T tubule. D. Z tubule. A and S. T tubule. Q. The type of neuron that carries nerve impulse from tissue and organ to the spinal cord and brain is A. Sensory neuron. B. Motor neuron. C. Intermediate neuron. D. Associative neuron. A and S. Sensory neuron. Q. Hormones are usually
A. Genetical messengers, B. Physical messengers, C. Chemical messengers, D. Biological catalyst.
A and S. Chemical messengers. Q. Which of the following lobes of the pituitary gland is known as master gland of the body? A. Anterior gland. B. Posterior gland. C. Intermediate gland. D. Anterior posterior gland. A and S. Anterior gland. Q. Which of the following hormones is responsible for reducing the blood glucose level? A. Thyroid hormone. B. Insulin hormone. C. Glucagon hormone. D. ADH hormone.
A and S. Insulin hormone. Q. If the homozygous white-eyed Drosophila female is crossed with red-eyed Drosophila male, what is the probability of the male offspring having white color eye?
A. OB 25%. C. 50%. D. 100%. A and S. 100%.
Q. The term survival of the fittest was used by
A. Lamarck. B. Darwin. C. Herbert Spencer. D. Mayer. A and S. Herbert Spencer. Q. The raw material that is used by natural selection for better survival is or are A. Variation only. B. Mutation only. C. Similarity only. D. Variation and mutation. A and S. Variation and mutation. Q. The Archaeopteryx is a fossil bird which possesses the characters of both
A. Fishes and amphibians, B. Amphibians and reptiles, C. Reptiles and birds, D. Birds and mammals.
A and S. Reptiles and birds. Q.
A condition characterized by hypothyroidism and enlargement of thyroid gland is known as A. Graves' disease, B. Gigantism. Answer key. C. Goiter. D. Exophthalmia. A and S. Goiter. Q. The percentage of carbon dioxide carried as carboxyhemoglobin is
A. 70. B. 23%. C. 15. D. 7%. A and S. 23%. Q. A small biological unit that can evolve over time is
A. A species. B. A population. C. An organism. D. Cell.
A and S. A species.
Q. The most abundant element present in human body is
A. Sulfur. B. Nitrogen.
C. Carbon. D. Manganese.
A and S. Carbon.
Q. Mammals become dominant in A. Cenozoic period. B. Jurassic period. C. Mesozoic period. D. Paleozoic period.
A and S. Cenozoic period. Q. A hemoglobin molecule consists of amino acids A. 874, B. 474, C. 674, D. 574. A and S. 574. Q. Steroid is formed by backbone of 4 fused carbon rings containing A. 14 carbon atoms, B. 16 carbon atoms, C. 17 carbon atoms, D. 18 carbon atoms. A and S. 17 carbon atoms.
Q. Portion of stomach which is present immediately after esophagus is known as
A. Opsin portion, B. Pyloric portion, C. Gastric portion, D. Cardiac portion. A and S. Cardiac portion.
Q. Which antigen was first studied in
A. Monkey, B. Man, C. Dog, D. Mouse.
A and S. Monkey.
Q. What are the chances that the daughter of a normal man and a heterozygous female will have hemophilia? A. 75, B. 5%, C. 25, D. 0%. A and S. 0%.
Q. The longest phase of the menstrual cycle is A. Preovulatory phase, B. Secretory phase, C. Ovulatory phase, D. Menstrual phase.
A and S. Secretory phase.
Q. The most common protein in nature is
A. Collagen, B. Rubisco,
C. DNA, D. Keratin.
A and S. Rubisco.
Q. The hindbrain is comprised of all of the following except
A. Pons, B. Cerebellum,
C. Cerebrum, D. Medulla oblongata.
A and S. Cerebellum.
QTHE pasteurization of milk is done effectively through ultra-high temperature UHT in which milk is treated for 3 seconds at
A. 70 to CB, 10C,
C. 10CD, 170C.
A and S. 10C.
Q is the attractive force between a water molecule and container. A. Cohesion. B. Adhesion.
C. Tension, D. Transpiration.
A and S. Adhesion.